Every ethical hacker has faced this problem at some point in their life. Suppose you are doing a penetration testing, you know very well which attack to make, but just then you suddenly forget the actual command. Now you're opening Google, searching for GitHub, looking at a cheat sheet or notes, copying commands from there, then going back to the terminal again, and in this whole cycle, you waste 5 to 10 minutes. Now think, what if all these commands were already arranged like a dictionary inside your terminal? In a second, without opening the browser, you would get all the necessary commands from the terminal. How would that be? Yes, the solution to this problem has now arrived. A new tool has been added to Kali Linux called Arsenal-ng. It will completely change your pen testing workflow. What is Arsenal-ng? It's not a hacking tool. It doesn't exploit, scan, or crack passwords. It's your personal hacking assistant, a cheat sheet of 200 plus tools in one place. Instead of memorizing commands, search, select a category, and the command is ready. To install it, open the terminal and enter the command sudo apt install arsenal-ng, and it will be installed. When the installation is complete, type arsenal-ng and press enter. The interface is ready. There is no configuration hassle. I typed tools here and pressed enter, and here is the list of all the tools. Look, here are the commands for 200 plus tools. Use the arrow buttons on the keyboard to control it and press the ESC key to go back. So now I'm going back to the main interface by pressing the ESC key. Now I'm searching for Nmap, and if you scroll down a little you'll see the Nmap command here. Here is the title of the command, and here is the main command, and a description is also provided. For example, this is the command for a ping scan, and the -n flag must be used for a ping scan in Nmap. In this way, as I go down it will show me the Nmap commands. The command title will be given above and the main command will be below the description, and you have to change the values in the curly brackets. For example, here you have to enter your target IP in place of the target. Now I typed Hydra in the search box here, and immediately the Hydra commands are listed below. There are some commands that are long lines, like this one, a command for Hydra HTTP post form. Here you can see that the entire line is not visible. What to do now? Now just press enter and see that the complete command has appeared. And it also shows the arguments below. From here you can change the arguments and modify the entire command. But in my case, when I try to modify the arguments, it is not updating in the command. This is a new tool, so there are still some bugs in this tool. Hopefully it will be fixed soon through updates. Now I'll show you another tool's command. I typed aireplay in the search box, and below, the list of commands has appeared. Look, this first sheet is for the injection test, and below are its commands. This way, you will get the commands for all the tools from a single terminal window, and you will no longer have to search on Google, GitHub, or AI. This Arsenal-ng tool is very useful for penetration testers, bug bounty hunters, CTF players, and cybersecurity students. Personally, I think Arsenal-ng is one of the best productivity tools added to Kali Linux recently. It won't magically turn you into a hacker, but it will significantly reduce the time you spent searching for commands. However, I would strongly recommend giving this Arsenal-ng tool a try. If you have learned something new from today's video, don't forget to give the video a like. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel and stay with us. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video.